When Jesus, Peter, James and John come meet the other disciples, dem see many people and the law teachers gather dey argue with dem. When the people see Jesus, dem surprise come run quick quick go greet am. Jesus ask dem,
Wetin una dey argue about?
one person among the people come answer,
Teacher, I bring my pikin wey get demon, when dey make am not fit talk, come meet you. Anytime the spirit sees am, e go throw am down, and e go dey bring foam from im mouth, dey grind im teeth, and im body go come straight. I tell your disciples make dem drive the demon comot, but dem no fit.
Jesus come ask im disciples,
Una wey no believe, how long I go stay with una? How long I go dey bear with una? Make una bring the boy come meet me.
so dem take the boy go meet am. When the spirit see Jesus, e quick quick throw the boy for ground, come make am dey shake. The boy fall for ground, dey roll and foam dey comot for im mouth. Jesus ask the boy papa.
Since when dis thing don dey do am?
The papa come answer,
Na since e be small pikin, the spirit dey always throw am inside fire or water make e for die. But if you go fit do anything, make you sorry for am and help us.
Then Jesus ask am,
You mean if I fit? Everything dey possible for the person wey believe.
quick quick the boy papa come shout,
I believe oh, help me make I believe more more.
when Jesus see say people dey gather, e come tell the evil spirit,
You deaf and dumb spirit, I command, make you come out from the boy and no enter him body again.
the demon shout, shake the boy well well, come comot from him body. The boy sleep for ground sotey many people come dey say,
He don die.
but Jesus hold the boy hand small small, carry am up, and the boy come stand up. When he enter house, him disciples come ask am.
Why we no fit drive the demon comot?
Jesus answer dem,
Na only with prayer and fasting this kind one dey take comot.